In this video, I am going to guide about managing booking preferences on the Turo app. This will help you control who can book your car and set your rental conditions. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Turo app on your mobile device and log into your account. 2. Tap on the menu icon usually found in the top left or right corner of the screen. 3. Select vehicles and choose the car for which you want to manage booking preferences. 4. Look for the booking settings or trip preferences option and tap on it. 5. Adjust your booking preferences such as trip durations, advance notice and pickup options. 6. Enable or disable instant book if you want guests to book without approval. 7. Set guest requirements including minimum ratings and driver's license verification. 8. Save your changes and your updated booking preferences will be applied. Managing booking preferences on Turo helps control rental conditions. It allows you to customize guest requirements and availability.